First of all, if you see very carefully, limit x tends to infinity. This one is written as, if one is adding, then 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1, here minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1, and okay, and here x 1 plus x. Okay, so limit x tends to infinity. This one is written as 1 minus 2 upon 3x plus 1 whole power x square 1 plus x. If you put x tends to infinity, then this one is going on 1 to power infinity. Means how can do this type of problem? We take log both side. So log y is written as limit x tends to infinity x square upon 1 plus x into log of 1 minus 2 upon 3x plus 1. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. So how can do it? First of all, limit x tends to infinity log of 1 minus 2 upon 3x plus 1 upon minus 2 upon 3x plus 1 into minus 2 upon 3x plus 1. Okay, and that one is written as 1 plus x upon x square. Okay, this one basically 1. Okay, so you can say that limit x tends to infinity minus 2 upon 3x plus 1 into 1 plus x to x square. If minus 2x square upon, if x is common in both, then we got x square, that is 3 plus 1 by x into 1 upon x plus 1. Clear or not? After that, if put x this equal to infinity, okay, x square cancel out, and we got minus 2 divided by 3 1 on, that is 1 by infinity into 1 by infinity plus 1, that is we got minus 2 by 3. So this is log y. So y is equal to e to power minus 2 by 3 is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. This is the final answer. Make it.